How to reset your Facebook video recommendations and customize your feed on Android. This tutorial shows you how to refresh what Facebook suggests and tailor your video feed to your preferences. First, open Facebook on your Android device. Tap the three-line menu at the top left. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Video. After that, review the video settings available and adjust any preferences such as autoplay or video quality to your liking. In the next step, go back to your Facebook home feed and tap on the three dots next to any video you do not want to see. From there, tap on Hide Video or Not Interested to signal to Facebook that you do not want similar content recommended to you. Once done, repeat this for any other videos in your feed that do not match your interests. Following this, if you want to actively tell Facebook what you do want to see, tap on the three dots next to a video you enjoy and tap on Like this video or See more like this. From here, Facebook will use this feedback to start adjusting your recommendations over time. At this stage, go back to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and scroll down to tap on Feed to review your overall feed preferences. After this, tap on Manage Your Feed to further customize what types of content and pages show up most frequently. Keep in mind, Facebook's recommendation algorithm updates gradually based on your interactions, so it may take a few days of consistent feedback before you notice a significant change in your video feed. Finally, go back to your video feed and confirm the recommendations are starting to align more with your preferences. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your Facebook video recommendations, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.